Welcome back with Chef Ricardo back in the kitchen one more time with your dishes, guys. Lovely dishes and amazing dishes, drinks, food, everything, you name it, and you also can claim it. Remember, Christmas is coming up very soon and we got a lot of recipe for Christmas. We start to put out some Christmas tips already and there's more to come. Enjoy the recipe, subscribe to the channel, and remember to get a copy of my cooking book online from Amazon, and it's the best price ever in this world. We love you. Thank you so much. Bye-bye. Nice and lovely, guys. Today we want to show you can make yourself a nice, lovely Christmas punch. You know, man always love punch. Some ladies do love punch, and some ladies might say it's a little bit too much for me. But anyway, today we're going to show you how you can make yourself a nice, lovely Christmas punch. Alright? First of all, we're going to go into some simple little details that you guys can understand what's going on inside of the kitchen. Yeah? So, first thing, you got this thing named nutriment. In Jamaica, they call it, you know what they call it in Jamaica? Supperjam. In England, they call it nutriment. That's where most people know it as. And this one is a vanilla flavor, really nice and really good. Most people, when they're making their punch, they do use a thing like milk. But for me, I might go a little bit more relaxed with some nutriment. So first of all, I'm going to use my smoothie blender. The reason why I'm going to use my smoothie blender, because the smoothie blender do give it a nice, simple, smoother, finer, you know what I mean, drink. So basically I'm going to use half of this inside of my nutriment right here. Lovely. So I'm using roughly say quarter of it inside of it. Then next thing, you got this thing named Irish mash. Irish mash original from Jamaica. As you can see, even Jamaica right on it. You know what I mean? In Jamaica, a lot of men do drink Irish mash. Alright? So Irish mash is really good and strong. You can go to the sea, you know what I mean, and you get Irish mash and they boil it with the limb seed and everything. Basically, what we're gonna simply do, we're gonna put some also inside of it. It's a Christmas punch. I did a couple of videos before with punch, but sometimes I not put everything inside of it. So now what we're gonna simply do, we're gonna add half of the punch, half of the Irish mash inside of it, guys. Irish mash, you can get that at local shop or supermarket. Right here I have some roasted and salt peanut. Forget about the salt. You might say salt, but that's fine. We are gonna use some roasted peanut inside of it today. Alright? Instead of some raw peanut. So let's put roughly about quarter of the roasted peanut inside of it. Right here I have a pack of oats, and also we're gonna put some oats inside of it, guys. The reason why we're gonna use oats, because oats is really good for you. We're gonna put one pack of oats inside of it also. Nice and lovely. So as you can see, exactly where we are about so far. I've got some cashew, roasted cashew right here. This one don't have any salt in it, it's just a roasted cashew. And we're gonna put some also inside of it. Lovely. These things, you can get them at the local shop or supermarket. Nice one. Roughly about a quarter of it. Then we're gonna put some cinnamon. Pinch of cinnamon. Also a pinch of vanilla. Not too much, but then next we're gonna put some mixed spice. Next, grated nutmeg. Just a pinch. Also too. Some sweet condensed milk is a must inside of it. give it the flavor and the taste what you're looking for. So we're gonna put some sweet condensed milk. That roughly about 4 teaspoons of sweet condensed milk, guys. Nice one. So as you can see, all of those ingredients which we just add to it, it's gonna do really fantastic. The next thing we're gonna simply do, we're gonna add some ice cream. It's a must inside of it to give it some flavor and taste. You don't have to put ice cream, but I love my ice cream inside of my punch like this. It gives it a nice, lovely flavor and taste. So roughly 4 teaspoons. And I'm using vanilla ice cream. Cover your smoothie blender like this and give it a shake. Alright, just give it a shake like this to get it free up inside of the blender. Then simple, blend it for roughly about 4 to 5 minutes. Alright? Nice lovely glass, put this at the side. It's a Christmas punch. It's coming up to Christmas now. And you guys have to put something on the table for the fans and for everyone. Kids can have this. If you're allergic to nuts, you cannot have this. Pour it straight inside of your glass. Look at the thickness of it. Look at the beautiful of it, guys. It's wonderful and nice. And that you can have that for Christmas separately. Boxing Day. Or so if you feel for a nice, lovely Christmas drink, then your friend can have that one. Enjoy the recipe, and this is from Chef Ricardo. Hopefully we can come out with a better and more recipe. See you next time. Bye bye. Thank you so much, and hopefully you have a wonderful time. Enjoy yourself and see you in the next time. Bye bye.